Hi everybody, it is Sunday and we woke up to a gorgeous, gorgeous day. So the high is only going to be in the low 80s, it's dry, a little bit of breeze. So I had all these shorts planned to wear this week and I just put them back in my drawer and said, change of plans. It's a lot cooler and I don't need to wear my shorts. So today, last minute, my girlfriend asked if I wanted to meet her for brunch. So we're gonna meet at our local diner for brunch, and this is what I decided to wear. I'm just wearing a loft yellow tank, paired it with this Banana Republic factory linen blazer in white, and my Vigos distressed straight crop jeans, and my Dolce Vita nude sandals that seem to go with everything, so that's what I've been wearing these days. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day styling. Hi everyone, just a very quick video. I went to the Barbie movie with my daughter and this is what I wore. Wore this pink dress from White House of a black market that I probably got, oh gosh, definitely 2018, and my minimalistic nude sandals. And it was pouring rain when I got home. You're probably hearing thundering in the background now, and that is it. All right, take care, and you'll see me tomorrow for another day of styling. Morning, everybody. It is Monday, and I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because my daughter is still sleeping upstairs. So what's going on today? I skipped the gym today because my lower back hurts. That's wonderful. I don't know what's going on. It started off in my hips and now migrated up to my lower back. The good news is my elbow is doing a lot better. I'll still wear the brace to the gym, but I think I can get rid of it during my normal daily working at home routine. What am I wearing today? Should be no surprise for any of you. This is an Aster the Label sweater that I got from Amazon Shop Before You Buy. And I got this last weekend or this past weekend, and I just showed it to you in a video. So it cooled down here a lot and I wanted to wear this sweater, so here I am. And I paired it with the same ivory jeans that I showed in you my demo, my Judy Blue. However, I did switch out my shoes to be my nude platform sandals from Dolce Vita. And this is what I'm wearing from working at home on a Monday. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day styling. Hi everybody, it is 7:30 in the morning. The sun is starting to peek its way out. I have my ring light on so you get a little bit extra glow in here. Unfortunately, when it's this early in the morning, I just don't get the best lighting. I'm trying to also be a little bit quiet because my daughter is still sleeping. So what am I wearing today? I am wearing my new Ever Eve sweater. They're calling this color mauve. It is kind of like a very light mauve, almost like a neutral, and it's like a basket weave. Again, got this from my Ever Eve Trendsend. Love it. So happy it cooled off so I can wear it. Buttons down the front that do work, and I'm wearing them with my split hem cut from the cloth jeans that I ordered probably beginning of last fall, directly from the cut from the cloth website. So I doubt they're still available, but you can look. So yeah, they're the split hem jeans, and these are my regular size 0, so they kind of fit me perfectly. Anybody taller would be cropped on them. And again, I'm wearing my Dolce Vita platform sandals. My back is still bothering me, but it was well enough for me to go to the gym and run today, and I had to take a muscle relaxer last night. So hopefully it starts to ease up a little bit. You notice I don't have the brace on my arm. It's a lot better, still not 100%, but getting there. All right, take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, 7:30 in the morning, got back from the gym, ate my breakfast, and here I am ready for a nap. And unfortunately, I have to go to work. What am I wearing today? So I'm wearing this Loft sweater tank. I love this tank. I think it's so cute and it puts a smile on my face. I decided to pair it with my ivory satin joggers that I got from Banana Republic factory outlet. Lori Lindquist is actually the one that turned me on to these, and I ordered them right away. I did order them up in a size up because I definitely wanted some looseness because they're ivory, satin, and thinner. So I'm very happy with that decision. And I am wearing, who are these by? I think these are Nine West, my hot pink Nine West pink slides that I purchased, I think, from Stitch Fix Freestyle. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everyone, it is Thursday. Thank goodness it is 5:30 in the evening and this is the first time I've gotten a chance to film. If I look like hell, it's because I feel like hell. It's been a long week and a long day, and like I said, this is the first time I got a chance to film. I'm dressed very casual today. I'm wearing this loft sweater in this coral color with like a boat neckline. I think I got this maybe back in like May. And I paired it with my olive level 99 jogger pants and my ivory. I know these shoes aren't the greatest to go with this, but these are just like some ivory wedges that I got from a Stitch Fix. The brand is Me Too. And this is my outfit for today. Take care and see you tomorrow for another day of styling. Hi everybody, it is Friday, finally. This week seemed to drag on, had a rough week, ate terribly yesterday, and today I am back on plan and had an enormous chicken sandwich for breakfast. Pretty much got my protein intake for today just with that sandwich. All right, and again, it was rest day for me from the gym. So what am I wearing today? I'm actually going out tonight with my husband, but this is not what I'm gonna be wearing tonight. I will try and film that, but no guarantees. We're going to a bar with the gym people, so it's like an organization set up by the gym, like a monthly meetup to socialize. But what am I wearing now? I am wearing this Steve Madden sweater. It's very open weave and all these pretty colors that I got from Amazon. I think I saw it originally on Stitch Fix, did not jump on it, and then I regretted it, found it on Amazon for even a little bit cheaper. The pants, they are from Loft, from probably circa 2018. They have the released hem, they're crop style, wide leg, and I'm wearing them with the same Me Too espadrille sandals that I wore yesterday that I got from my Stitch Fix. And this is my outfit for today until later this evening. Take care and maybe see you later for tonight's outfit, otherwise for tomorrow. Take care until next time. Hi everybody, it is Saturday, got up, went to the gym and played a little closet, ate some food, took my shower, and here I am. And this is not my outfit of today, this is what I actually wore last night, and I figured, why don't I just pop this on again to show you what I wore. My husband and I went out, unusual for us to actually go out and socialize. The gym was having a get-together at a bar by the water. It was a rooftop bar that overlooked the ocean. It was quite an enjoyable evening to actually socialize with people and get out of the house. So what did I wear to that event? I wore this ribbed sweater, one shoulder top. Underneath, I have that one shoulder sports bra that I got from Amazon. Great find, very happy I got those. And I got this top from a Front Door Fashion, love it. I also paired it with the olive green cargo skirt by Sanctuary that I got from a Stitch Fix. Love this well as too. I really like front pockets because especially when I'm in a social event, I never know what to do with my hands. So if I'm not sitting, I typically stick my hands in my pockets. And I'm not a huge fan of side pockets because that adds to my hips, but these front pockets, they're cool. I paired them with my Dolce Vita Black Mule slides. I believe I got these directly from Dolce Vita, I think. I can't remember. And I wore these because I knew we had to park and walk and I wanted some height, and these are very comfortable. And because we were on the water and because I'm always cold, I put on this Prosperity black coated denim jacket. So it's like a faux leather, but it's not really faux leather. It's like basically like a denim material that they spray this, I guess, polyurethane on. And this is by Prosperity, and I also got this from Stitch Fix, I believe in a box, not 100% sure. And this is what I wore last night. All right, give me a minute and I'm going to switch in what I plan on wearing today. Okay, outfit of the day. What I am trying to figure out whether or not to keep this kimono. This is the only kimono that I own. I purchased it when kimonos were out years ago from American Eagle, and I got it really cheap. I think like 15 bucks. It was on clearance. And, you know, kimonos aren't as in as they were probably like, 4 or 5 years ago. So I'm debating whether or not I should keep this still in my closet. Again, it's the only kimono I own, and it was cheap enough, and it's not taking a lot of room up my closet, so it's not like, oh, I need to purge it to find something space for anything. So do I keep it in the chance that, you know, this becomes more popular, or do you think I can do better than this one? As you see, it's very oversized. This is the opening of the thing. I know it's supposed to be, but because I'm petite, it's even, I think, more exaggerated on a petite person. It's flowy. I love the pattern of it. I think it's really pretty pattern. I'll come close so you can see it. So it has some blues and like some like dusty oranges. And I paired it with a camisole that I probably, oh gosh, I had this in my drawer. This is probably from either the Limited or New York and Company from probably 15 years ago. Kept it all these years. And a Banana Republic, I believe this is the Outlet Banana Republic, a button fly skirt, raw hem that I got 4 years ago when I was in Vegas for my 50th. And I'm wearing the Me Too shoes again because they're comfortable and I might go out shopping today. And this is my outfit for today. What do you guys think? Keep the kimono or should it go? All right, I'm wrapping up this week. Take care and see you next week for another week of styling.